Ever get bored of default Google Chrome background? In this quick video, let's see how to change a Google Chrome background to your own picture. The first thing is you have to make sure that your Google Chrome is up to date. To confirm your Google Chrome browser is up to date and not asking for the relaunch, just go to this URL, Chrome Setting Help. If it's asking for a relaunch, go ahead and click on Relaunch. So once you are confirmed your Google Chrome browser is now up to date and not asking for any relaunch or the restart, just go to the new tab and here you will see this button at the right corner of the screen. Click on Customize Chrome. Now here is the best part. Click on Change Theme and we have an option to upload an image from our device. If you go to upload an image and you have your own image, you could just go ahead and select that image and click on open. Now you see my Google Chrome is updated with the image I have uploaded here and it looks so beautiful. You could just go ahead and upload your own images. You could also adjust colors and themes for your picture according to your matching or according to your requirement. Here you have an option to change it to light theme. The next option we have to change it to dark theme. Now my Chrome is showing in the dark theme. And the last option we have is to select the device specific theme that we have on our device. So that's it about today's quick, easy and to the point video on how to change the background for your Google Chrome browser and upload your own image. Thanks for watching ITPK and I will see you in the next one.